And by the way, while we're talking about shooting, one of the really good things that Blue Point Fasteners is known for is our pre-tied sealing clips. We got straight cut wire, we got powder actuated sealing clips pre-tied in any length you want. We've got nitrocellulose clips in anything you want. We're the market leader in North America with pre-tied sealing clips. We can even tie a wire onto a purling clip if you're using that. And we can screw the purling tool right on the end of there. Another application that you're gonna wanna use this pole for. If you happen to buy your eye lags pre-tied, we have an eye lag pre-tied head. So your wire's already attached to the eye lag. Simply basically put it on the end of here and screw it on in. We've got a hex drive that screws onto the male thread, okay? If you want to screw in bolts or screws, put in whatever bit tip you want and you can screw into the ceiling. But what if you just want to drill into the ceiling with a drill bit, whether it be a carbide bit and you got a hammer drill or a regular drill screwing into wood or steel. And then when I get at the end of the day, I can basically just screw back on my eye lag head, which is a very popular thing, okay? So those are the 10 or so accessories that you can use this pole system for, which makes it very cool. Now, I've shown you all these different accessories. We sell 2-size kits that you can snap together in a clamshell to keep them in your job box when you run into these different applications. Okay, those are very nice. The multi-purpose Magnesium Lag Pro pole is the only system that you'll need on the job site. And you only need a couple of poles on the job, really, if you're going to be able to, with any ceiling height, and you can get your job done. Thank you.